Speed. In packaging, that's everything. 800 meters per minute. That's not fast. That's jet rapid fast. And that's not enough. Meet its big brother, jet rapid wire. 1000 meters per minute. No one else can touch that. In high-speed production, time is money. Every second counts. Every product needs a clear, reliable code. No compromise. Sounds simple? But you know the reality. Clogged printheads, dried ink, messy cleaning, missed codes, wasted product, downtime. Every interruption costs. And worse, it slows you down. Leibinger changes the game. A Leibinger printer doesn't clog, thanks to its unique, fully automatic nozzle sealing technology. It doesn't need daily cleaning. It starts clean. It prints clean. And it keeps up, no matter how fast you run. No delay, no dirty lines, just speed, precision, reliability. Whether it's coding cables at full speed, marking beverage bottles mid-flight, or coding food packs at peak output, this is your high-speed hero. Need the numbers? Here you go. Up to 5-line, 32-bit precision, IP54, IP6 protection, 10+ ink types, ready for your application. Built for speed, designed to last. You want speed? You want reliability? You want the best? Leibinger Jet Rapid. This is your choice when speed matters.